Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and today we are back in Last Pastures in St. Anne, border Trelawney, St. Anne, and we're here to visit Mr. Chris Moore again. Alright, so you'll see and hear more in a little while, but please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, let's get into it right now. Alright guys, so we are heading up now. We're trying to make sure that we have everything in hand because we don't want to have to go up and then come back down for something. Alright, so we must use this opportunity. Oh, hi, how you see us? Morning.
Guess what?
You're looking for,
Yeah.
So how you know we're down here?
Yeah.
You hear us?
Just look out and say, what it's Michelle like?
Yes, I'm the same one.
All right, brother.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, brother.
All right. Oh, wow. So how have things been going?
Well, give thanks.
Yes.
You come in Likkle.
Yes. Yes, man. All right. After you.
Yes, man.
The kids are gone to school today?
Yeah, they're going to school.
Okay. All right.
Someone not feeling well at all this morning.
Uh-oh.
Seems like he's having the flu.
Oh, no. He got wet?
Pardon?
He got wet or exposed to the breeze or so?
Can be, from always shove it out. Shortness on the chest.
Oh, okay.
So it seems like it's a cold, kind of bit chilly,
Yes, yes. And that it we are happy that we're able to come because it started raining from early this morning.
Yes, yes.
Maybe about 3 a.m. thereabout.
We're getting it from yesterday.
Or from last night, yeah. Yeah, so wow. Sorry to hear that Mr. Moore not doing too wonderful this morning. Oh, they almost reached. All right. Okay. Whew. He's sleeping. Mr. He's sleeping.
No, he's not sleeping.
Oh. We can go in?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
So you're doing a little time. We can go, man.
Yes. Me get my shoes off real clean before me go in. Mr. Moore?
Yeah,
How you do?
Take off your shoes.
Not too bad?
no, we call out the house before.
Oh, so you're not feeling too well, so you just lay down?
They will take some pay.
Okay, okay.
Morning, Papa.
Morning, Chief.
Oh, Lord.
Good day, man.
Yes.
Most time the first time coming, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Oh, Lord. We're sorry we come and you're in bed not feeling too well this morning.
That's how it is sometimes.
Yes.
Tomorrow, we got dialysis.
Oh, you're going to dialysis tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Okay, so we brought you some things. I'm just going to tell you because I know you're not well, so we don't want to keep you too long.
Yes, sir.
Right? So we brought some groceries.
Yes, sir.
Those groceries you were to get from last week.
Yes, sir.
When we made arrangement to meet up, but it never worked out. So here we are today, and would have brought you a number of items. We brought you rice, and there's brown rice in there too, the type that you can eat. So we carry a lot of beans as well.
Thanks, sir.
Right, and you'll see the other stuff that the kids can have as well. All right, and we have to say thanks to our many donors because from time to time, guys, you have been sending us barrels, and so we are now able to give to Mr. Moore and his family.
Thanks.
In addition to that, Mr. Moore would have brought 2 school bags.
Yes, sir.
With in the school bag we have books and pencils and sharpeners, and that would be for the children, the boy and the girl.
Yes, sir.
Right, and again we have to thank our donors because they would have sent these items to us in the barrel, so we're able to give them to you. All right, and in addition to that, we want to say thanks to 2 special donors. One we're going to refer to as Renel, and the other is an anonymous donor, and they would have sent monetary donations for you, which we'll hand over to you off camera. But we have to use the opportunity to say thanks to Renel, God bless you immensely. Thanks also to our anonymous donor.
Thanks,
yes. All right, I think that's about it. We brought some clothes as well, so the children can get from there. Miss Myrtle, I think a few things in there can fit you as well. So we just brought them.
They can go through.
Yes.
Thanks a million, folks. Thanks a million.
Yes, you're more than welcome. You're more than welcome. All right, so you say dialysis tomorrow, dialysis tomorrow. I have to get that right. Yes, all right. So we're going to leave you now and I'll keep you long.
Thanks again.
Yeah, man, you are welcome.
And may God continue to bless you guys.
Yes.
As life progresses, you know?
Yes. Yes, we're happy we're able to help, you know?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we thank all our donors and the most of all, we thank God for the opportunity to be able to come, you know, and you know, acting the way we have been doing.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it greatly.
Yes, man. Not a problem at all. You're more than welcome. Okay. All right. Okay, so we out here, Miss Myrtle?
Yes, exactly.
So the things are here.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the school bags.
Yes, yes.
You can have those.
Yes, sir.
And then these now are the groceries.
Yes, yes.
Oh, let me show you them. So these are the okay, so for both children. When they come, they can choose which one they want. Yes, you are welcome. All right, and here now we have some rice and flour and the brown rice. You have brown flour as well. All right, so you may know if you can manage this bag. Yeah, we
I can push it in as soon as I could.
Wheat flour. Marcel correcting me to say it's wheat flour. All right.
Yes.
So I'll leave it here. You'll remove it from here.
You can see them.
Okay.
And sort them out.
And you have the clothes, and in here now we have some other stuff that will remove some tin items.
Yes, sir.
So I don't know if you have a bag you can give us to put them in. You have cornflakes and some other stuff. I'm just gonna give you the bag and you take them out. There's a bottle in there.
You're going to want back this bag?
Yes. All right. So you can bring it in and take them out.
Okay.
Right. This one is last bottle, the jam. All right, guys. So we are here at Mr. Moore. We're able to bring him a number of items. I want to say thank you to all the donors who would have made all of this possible. Thanks to those persons who continue to send us barrels, because in instances like these, we're able to provide food and clothing and so on. So we thank you immensely, and may God continue to bless you richly. Also want to say a special thank you to Renel again, and to our anonymous donor who would have sent monetary donations. Thank you so much. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
I'm asking God to continue bless both of us, so see me able to keep up to good work.
Yes.
To help poor people all around.
Yes.
Yes, man. Thanks a lot.
You are welcome, Miss Myrtle.
Thanks a lot.
Yes. All right. No
I wish
problem.
blessing for you and your children and grandchildren, you know.
Thank you so much,
Thank
and
you.
blessings to you as well.
When grandchildren
When
come.
grandchildren come.
When it comes, I know that go to the comes.
Yes. All right. No problem. So you can take up the second bag, Miss Myrtle, and go empty it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can empty this
Thank you
one
very
too.
much. You can just leave it here.